Time to test your military knowledge? The challenge is set. Can you score 5 out of 5 with no mistakes? Question 1. What is this attack helicopter? Answer C. RAH-64 Apache. Question 2. What is this helicopter? Answer B. UH-60 Blackhawk. Question 3. What is this Russian gunship? Answer B. Mi-28. Question 4. What is this experimental model? Answer C. RAH-66 Comanche. Question 5. What is this helicopter? Answer B. SA-342 Gazelle. Drop your score out of 5 in the comments, hit like, subscribe, and click here for the next quiz.